Fred Haas Toyota World is the #1 automotive dealer in Texas because we know price sells cars. Plus, it's Fred Haas's goal to save every buyer $2,000. Honesty, integrity, and customer service. That's Fred Haas Toyota World. Here's the vehicle for you.
Get your family adventures going in a Toyota Highlander. Its do-anything attitude means your next favorite memory starts as soon as you get inside. And its comfortable interior means everybody stays happy. There are 6 Highlanders, from the LE to the top-of-the-line Limited Platinum. Wherever you're headed, you'll have the power to get there. The available 3.5-liter V6 makes sure of that. And stop-start technology means you won't waste gas at stoplights on the way. 5 USB ports, an available rear entertainment system, and seats that feel like they came from a Lexus mean the trip is just as fun as the destination. And at the end of your journey, with the Highlander's bold front grille and projector beam halogen headlights, you'll make a powerful impression just by arriving. You'll travel safely too. The Toyota Safety Sense P safety package will see to it. It's standard equipment on all Highlanders. Lots of color and trim options mean you can design a Highlander all your own. The Toyota Highlander. It's ready to go places.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. And with over 1,200 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, we're sure to have what you're looking for. Come experience the Fred Haas Toyota World commitment to customer satisfaction. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.